Civil engineering covers everything from water supply and water treatment to wastewater treatment. It also looks at structural, so if you want to build bridges, geotechnical, which is my field, that's looking at soils and soil strengths and foundation designs, retaining walls. And then you've got coastal protection, you've got mining, you've got transportation engineering that makes our cities and towns work better for us. So there's loads of different, I suppose, disciplines within the discipline of civil engineering, which makes it so versatile and so interesting to actually work in.
So I chose civil engineering because I've always been good at maths and physics, and I wanted to play to my strengths and also solve real-world problems at the same time. Some of the things that I enjoy most is the amount of group project work we actually have, like we're working on designing together, and it's kind of simulating a real-world working environment as well. It's always going to be group work with engineering, so it's good that we get a taster of that, and it kind of helped me prepare me for placement as well.
Having accreditation with Engineers Ireland means that it is recognised within industry that you have the educational base and the professional qualification. With the professional accreditation, it allows you to travel all over the world if that's what you wish to do. You've got a lovely blend of both theory and practical classes. So you sit in the classroom and you learn the theory behind why you're doing certain things, and then you go into a laboratory and actually do them. I suppose it's that application of the theory that you've learned, in my opinion, a more grounded kind of learning that you're getting.
We are in the computer lab quite often. Obviously we had classes and we had lab experiments in the hydraulics lab. There's also the geotech lab. We spent a lot of time in the concrete lab as well, making cubes, testing the strengths. It's always going to help solidify the theory that you learn in class when you actually get to see the practical playing out right in front of you, and it sticks in your mind better for the exams as well. But obviously, when you go to work, you're more familiar when you're typing up these reports, you know exactly what's going on.
On the third year of your level 8 degree, there's a mandatory work placement where you head out after March and you do 3 months of work placement in industry. So that could be with a design consultancy or it could be with a contractor on site, and you basically keep a log of what you do for those 3 months while you're actually working in industry. And the great thing about that is it gives the students a kind of a realisation of what they've learned and why they've learned it, so that they can apply it in industry and apply it to the work that they're doing.
I definitely think work placement is valuable. Going into 4th year, it was a big help with my projects and knowing how to work with the team, and even in terms of design work. I was designing traffic signage, I was also putting in road marking on roads and working on report writing as well.
What kind of student would be really interested in civil engineering is a real practical person that likes, sitting down and doing the mathematical calculations and the design end of it. You're starting from a concept and working the whole way through until finished project, and there's some real great satisfaction in actually watching that. If you like doing that, then civil engineering is definitely the way to go.
The course, we cover a lot of different elements of design. For example, you're covering transport, you're covering structures, you're covering environmental, which has left us quite open in terms of the job we can pick or even post-grad course we can do, and we can specialize in whatever we want to.